so it looks like the first thing we're going to do is go here, make drawing from part. And I don't think I have. Alright, so I'm going to start again, go to browse. Open B5. Okay. So that first one in the corner is looks like the model's rotated the wrong way. So it's got one here. You can click back over here. This bottom one. Delete that. Move that one up. That one over. And then we need an isometric, which is going to be I think that's the one they have. And then this one. Oops. Got those kind of where I want them. Just add dimensions, but we have to go to here. Document properties. Dimensions is somewhere in here. Dimensions. Move that to 3. Move that to 3 and hit OK. And we'll just smart them some of these out. Radius 8, so that's the center line. So I think I have to go to here and temporary axes. Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. It's center point arc from there. I have it the wrong way. Center point arc from there to there. Again, I'm doing it wrong. Do it. drawing in there. Drawing view 3. So yeah, sketch 3. Show that smart dimension here. That has a radius of 8. What's next? 12 to the top. Well, actually to the center. From here to here. It's 12. And then the other center line. Oh no, it's not going to there. It's going from here to that center line. It's 12. And everything from the top. I've never done one of these, so let me try this real quick. Okay, so it looks like this last one is a datum feature. Dimensions, drawings, is probably okay. Datum goes right here. There's A. And obviously not doing anything with the isometric. Oh, and then we gotta remember to hide that. And select this. Turn off these temporary axes. Except maybe you leave. No, there's no way you leave that on. Sketch over it. That for construction. Okay, so we can leave that there. We got 8, 12 for the datum. Then we gotta go to the bottom. And dimensions. So let's go back and see what drawings we need to turn on. This is view 2. So we need this one on. We need to dimension from here to here. It's 45. I think the way you do that is going in here Maintain tolerance display. Do you want to continue 8? No, I do not want to continue. Oh, 8. So I think I can do from Smart Dimension, I think I can go from here to this line. There we go. And then in here, do a quantity. Capital X in a space. Okay, so we've got that. Again, I want to make sure my dimensions are 3 units. And then dimension of these. So that's going to be 8 times 750. And we're going to have, that's going to be okay, Smart Dimension, this one. Pull that up there. Once I see this dimension, which is radius 6, diameter 12. Cap blocks, bolt circle, I think that's it. Other than it wants us to maybe draw extended center lines. So that's still on here. Now it's got a center mark, alright, it is center line. No, that's not it. These need to get extended. Edit the sketch. That's extended like it looks in the picture. And then there's a center line down here. Oh, this is a center line. turn just this off, but I can't. So what I'm going to have to do is gotta get out of all that. Where is this shown? Can I delete this somewhere? I don't want this one going. I do want this one going. And then I want to go to the middle. Center line. And there's another center line. From like here to here. It's a little too far out. Okay, those are the center lines. And then it wants datum B, so annotation, datum here. And that's going to be datum B. And then I don't know how to call out datum A. It's not datum C, it's datum A. Okay, here's A. It says 0.005. And looking back at the book, it actually wants this like on the line. We can make it on the line. Without a leader, but that's not something I'm super worried about right now. Smart dimension from here to here. That's going to be 1. And then a kind of pull this in for the center mark. Center mark won't go in anymore, but it is still there, so let's do This, I think, for some reason, is supposed to be a solid line. Important that is to the drawing. This is bolt circle, but it's got a flag with a 2 over it. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, I think I found out how to do it, so I'm going to delete that and go to Insert, Annotations, Note, go down here to add symbol, more symbols, there's the delta, okay, put it here, increase that, change this to 24, and inside here, I just want the number 2. Under this, we've got geometric tolerance, which is center. Oh, I forgot how to do this one. Okay, I think for that one you're going to go to geometric tolerance for this. Let's delete that. You go to geometric tolerance, no flag. I think you're going to attach it to there. Go here. That symbol. 05, material condition M, symbol, no, done, add datum, done, okay, and that's on there, and, oh sorry, now this actually goes over here. ADAX 750, and then this actually also says 3. Pull that down a little bit. Change the dimensions for a radius. Offset break. build, I can't Control Z. That's not working. Let's just redo that line. This is going to be 8x space. Okay. See, I don't know why it's that color. What if I take off the override? That's everything on that one. Go back down here. And this is displays diameter. I've got a few things to add to here. Bolt circle. Alright, now I don't think we're missing anything. We've got this 12, 12, datum, 8, 45 degree angle, 14. Alright, there's one more dimension over here. So it's the outer wall here. Diameter, and that's 8 inches inner diameter. So diameter 8. Inner diameter. So OD and ID. That looks about right. So like an 8, 12, 12. Alpha datum, 8 times 45 degrees, 8 times 0.750 through hole, 0.005 MA, 0.005 A, perpendicular, Bravo datum, 2 delta, 12 diameter, bolt circle, 14.5, 1, 9 OD, 8 ID. I think that's it. So then fill these out. Okay, I think the class goes down there, and then I'm going to file. Wait, I need to get out of the title block. File, save as, going here, 3112, new folder, take off, oops, take off cap locks for this one. Uh-oh. Okay, back to here. Save as desktop 3D 3112. Let's just delete this. And then new folder, elbow, single flange. Open that, and then save this as solid drawing. I think, let's see, elbow, single flange, solid drawing, save. Got all this stuff here. File, hack and go, save as zip, include drawings, save. Go in here and make sure that works. 3112, elbow single, yep, and then that's it.